probably in 2025, we at Meta are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that can write code.
Did you just hear that? Straight from Mark Zuckerberg. AI is on the brink of taking over significant engineering roles at Meta. But what does this mean for the rest of us in the tech industry? And could your job be next? From the assembly lines of the Industrial Revolution to the software algorithms of the 21st century, technology has continuously reshaped our work landscape. Today, we stand on the brink of another major shift. Let's break down what AI replacing mid-level engineers really means, and how it could transform the way technology is developed and deployed. As we speak, artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but increasingly a co-worker. With companies like Meta leading the charge, AI is poised to take on complex coding tasks that were once the sole province of human engineers. But what exactly sparked this shift? Over the past decade, advancements in machine learning, neural networks, and computational power have enabled AI to not only perform routine tasks, but also solve complex problems. From automating simple codes to debugging and even writing new software, AI's capabilities have grown exponentially. Mark Zuckerberg's statement is not just a prediction. It's a reflection of a rapidly approaching reality. By integrating AI as mid-level engineers, companies aim to boost productivity, reduce human error, and accelerate innovation. But it's not all about efficiency. While AI can increase output and speed, it also prompts a re-evaluation of the human role in tech. What skills will future engineers need to thrive? How do we ensure AI complements rather than replaces human ingenuity? As we envision a future where AI takes on more of the coding workload, it's important to consider not just the technological implications, but also the human impact. How does this shift affect the engineers and the essence of engineering itself? Let's explore. The introduction of AI in engineering doesn't just change the job description for engineers, it elevates it. Engineers will need to adapt by acquiring skills in AI oversight, ethical programming, and perhaps most critically, in innovation management. Education systems will need to evolve rapidly to keep pace with these changes. The curricula for computer science and engineering should now integrate AI training not just as a tool, but as a fundamental aspect of all coursework. This educational pivot is essential for preparing the next generation of engineers. They'll not only need to understand how AI works, but also how to critically assess its outputs and integrate its capabilities with human-driven design principles. But the shift towards AI-driven engineering also raises significant ethical and practical questions. Who is responsible when an AI-developed code fails? How do we manage bias in AI outputs? These are not just technical challenges, but moral dilemmas that require new frameworks and guidelines. What does the long-term future hold for AI and human engineers? Let's explore some predictions and potential scenarios that could unfold in the next decade and beyond. By 2030, it's predicted that AI will not only handle mid-level engineering tasks, but could also begin to influence higher-level decision-making processes. How will this affect the role of senior engineers and the strategic direction of tech companies? The potential for AI to participate in strategic decision-making could transform tech leadership. We might see AI advisors becoming a common part of executive teams, offering data-driven insights that complement human intuition and experience. This integration could lead to faster and possibly more accurate decision-making processes. However, it also raises questions about the limits of AI's role. Where do we draw the line between AI support and human leadership? Moreover, as AI takes on more complex engineering tasks, we might see the emergence of entirely new fields and specialties. Just as the internet gave rise to web development, AI's capabilities could spawn new disciplines in tech that we can barely imagine today. Imagine disciplines that blend technology with other fields like biotech, quantum computing, or environmental science. AI could become a bridge that connects diverse fields, leading to innovations that are currently beyond our reach.